Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sign up with Google in your Bitget application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening Bitget, it will give you this page. Now you just simply have to tap into this icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after that you will get this sign up button. Tap into that button, and after tapping into there you will get this section where it says or login with, and here is the icon of Google. Tap into Google, and after that you can choose between all of the logged in account in your device. I'm selecting this account right here, and after selecting that specific Google account, this new page will be visible to you. Now you just simply have to check the privacy or policy box, and after that tap to sign up button. Now after tapping into sign up, you just simply have to verify that you are a human into this page. Just simply complete the verification from this section, and after successfully verifying that you are the human, you just simply have to tap to confirm button. And after that your account will successfully be created. This way you can very easily create or sign up to Bitget by using Google. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.